Greetings, online profit pioneers. Welcome to this video and welcome to the Online Profit Pioneers channel, where we decode the secrets of success in the world of online business. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking to make your mark and generate profits on Amazon? Do you feel lost in the maze of Amazon's FBA program, wondering how to stand out and succeed in this competitive marketplace? If so, then you're going to want to watch this entire video all the way to the end, as we'll be tapping into some powerful secrets that most videos miss out on. Today, we're about to unveil 5 powerful strategies that will not only help you sell on Amazon FBA, but thrive and maximize your profits. Get ready to transform your online business game. While you're here, please remember to like this video and comment your thoughts below, and share this video with 3 friends who can benefit from this information. Also, while you're here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified about all of our future videos coming first. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Selling on Amazon FBA, or fulfillment by Amazon, can be a lucrative venture, but it's not without its challenges. In the ever-evolving landscape of online business, embracing Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, isn't just a strategy. It's a heartfelt game changer for entrepreneurs striving to nurture and grow their dropshipping dreams. In this era, where connection and customer satisfaction reign supreme, Amazon FBA emerges as a beacon of efficiency and reliability, infusing a sense of trust and emotional resonance into the heart of every transaction. To help you succeed, let's explore these 5 effective strategies that will set you on the path to success. Product research and niche selection. Your journey begins with product research and niche selection. It's crucial to choose the right product to sell on Amazon. Start by identifying products that are in demand but not oversaturated. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Amazon's own bestsellers list to discover profitable niches. Look for products with high demand and low competition, and consider trends and seasonal factors. This is a game changer because, on average, FBA sellers increase their sales by more than 30%. Imagine having Amazon's immense resources at your disposal. Now, for some perspective, consider this. Amazon's net sales in 2020 reached a staggering $386.1 billion. This demonstrates the massive potential for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the Amazon marketplace. In 2020, Amazon's net sales increased by 38%, which is a testament to the platform's rapid growth. Beyond the logistical dance, Amazon FBA opens the door to a world of trust, the kind that comes with the globally recognized Amazon brand. Customers aren't just receiving a product, they're unwrapping a promise of quality and seamless service. By aligning with Amazon's established reputation, dropshippers weave their stories into the fabric of a brand that customers know and love, building a relationship founded on trust and dependability. The bottom line: the Amazon FBA platform is a force to be reckoned with. Optimize your Amazon listings. Optimizing your Amazon listings is key to attracting customers and converting sales. Use relevant keywords in your product title, bullet points, and description to improve your visibility in search results. High-quality images and informative product descriptions are essential. Make use of Amazon A+ content and enhanced brand content, if eligible, to enhance your product listings and showcase your brand. According to data from eMarketer, Amazon's share of the e-commerce market in the United States is expected to reach 41.4% by 2022. That's almost half of the entire market. This underscores Amazon's dominance and the enormous potential for sellers. With the right products and market research, you can tap into this growing market. Master the art of Amazon PPC advertising. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising on Amazon is a powerful tool for boosting product visibility and increasing sales. Create well-targeted ad campaigns, use the right keywords, and set a competitive bid to get the best results. Monitor and adjust your campaigns regularly to optimize your ad spend and maximize your return on investment. According to Statista, Amazon's ad revenue is projected to reach $20.2 billion in 2021, showcasing the effectiveness of advertising on the platform. Moreover, a survey by Marketplace Pulse in 2021 revealed that 29.2% of Amazon sellers invest in Amazon PPC advertising, highlighting its importance in driving sales and visibility. With Amazon's vast advertising reach, it's a strategy that can't be overlooked. Implement inventory management. Efficient inventory management is vital to prevent stockouts and overstocking. Use Amazon's Inventory Performance Index, IPI, to track your inventory health. Implement strategies like just-in-time, JIT, inventory management, and fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, to streamline your operations. This ensures you always have the right amount of stock on hand. In the realm of data, Amazon FBA isn't just about numbers, it's a storyteller, revealing the intricacies of customer behavior and market trends. This isn't just analytics, it's a compass guiding entrepreneurs through the dynamic landscape of e-commerce, helping them understand their customers and adapt to their needs. Moreover, a study by Statista highlighted that as of the second quarter of 2021, 13.9% of Amazon's e-commerce sales came from third-party sellers, proving the potential for success on the platform. Optimizing your listings is your ticket to being on that coveted first page. Build your brand and customer loyalty. Building a strong brand presence is a long-term strategy that pays off. Use Amazon Brand Registry to protect your brand and take advantage of exclusive tools like AA+ content. Encourage customer reviews and provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Consider offering value-added services like warranties, bundled products, or product guides to set your brand apart. Amazon's total revenue in 2020 was over $386 billion, and pricing plays a significant role in this success. In addition, a study by Statista revealed that in the second quarter of 2021, 29.2% of Amazon sellers invested in Amazon PPC advertising, highlighting the importance of pricing in driving sales and visibility. To illustrate the power of these strategies, let's look at Sarah's journey. She started her Amazon FBA business by conducting thorough product research, identifying a unique niche, and optimizing her product listings. Sarah mastered Amazon PPC advertising, which significantly increased her product visibility. With efficient inventory management, she kept her products in stock without overstocking or stockouts. Building her brand and focusing on customer loyalty allowed her to generate a loyal customer base, leading to consistent sales and growth. Now that you've uncovered these 5 effective strategies for selling on Amazon FBA, it's time to take action and apply them to your online business. Here's what you can do. If you found this video informative and valuable, make sure to subscribe to Online Profit Pioneers for more in-depth insights and strategies to excel in the world of e-commerce. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs who are looking to thrive on Amazon FBA. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and guidance on making profits online. Be the first to learn about the strategies that will help you succeed. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments section below. We're here to support you on your journey. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into topics like SEO, marketing, sales online, customer engagement, and much more great content designed to help online entrepreneurs create more success. Thank you for watching Online Profit Pioneers, and we appreciate your time and support. Remember, mastering these strategies can be the key to achieving exceptional success on Amazon FBA. So, let's take your online business to the next level. See you in our next video.